Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So in this video, I just going to discuss about how to create a column for on your page. For an example, 3 column or 2 column for text. If I am pasting a text here, so for an example, I just copied some text and just going to paste here. So you can see it has been pasted directly. So I just going to undo it. It's a single column. So I just want 2 columns. So go to the format option here. Then you can see an option called column. So here you can see there is a single column, 2 column and 3 column. You can select the format of the page by clicking this. So now it's changed to 3 column and same time I just going to paste the same paragraph here. You can see the column, the paragraph has been split into 2 columns. So I just undo this option and I just going to go to the format option and the column option. So now I just going to paste it as 3 column. So again I just going to paste this. You can see the paragraph has been split into 3 columns. By this option you can change the page to 2 column format option or 3 column format option according to your wish. And there is also a special option called more option. You just click here, you can select the number of columns and spacing in inches, and you can also choose a line in between the column. You can just click on the apply option. You can see a single vertical line between the 2 columns. It split the columns into 2. So I think this video will be useful to you, and if it is useful, just follow this channel, like this video and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs, just follow this channel and we will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.